Hi you guys, my name is Rachel Siegel and I just taught the Drop-In Wednesdays class here, and the piece I taught tonight was inspired first off just by the music. Anytime I create something, it always starts with the music. Most of the time, my movement has to start from that place, and from there it grows with the lyrics building on, and then I take from my own personal human experience, and that's how I create this movement that starts abstract and then becomes something with purpose and matches my intention, and I try and share that intention with the room so that they can all connect with something as well. All right, you guys, and check out this video via the link below and let me know what you think in the comments there.
Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, to be showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. And I said, I know that secret that we know. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, to be showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, to be showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, to be showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. And you was red. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in your car. You were rubbing both my hands, chewing on a candy bar. You said, ain't this just like the present, to be showing up like this? There's a moon when you're crescent. We started to kill. Then the snow started falling. We were stuck out in